kids. Are you ready? Let's make a beautiful surprise for Mom. First, let's take a piece of paper and cut it to the right size. Nice and neat. Snip, snip. Now fold the paper in half. And fold one side again, so our card can open and close. Let's draw a big heart on the front. Now let's color the heart bright red. So pretty and full of love. Now let's write Mom on the heart. Open the card. In the middle, let's draw a big circle. This will be our cute little face. Now color the circle yellow. Bright like sunshine.
Yay!
Let's add the face. Eyebrows. Happy eyes. A tiny nose. And rosy cheeks. Oh, so cute! Now let's draw little arms. Let's draw 3 tiny hearts above the hand. And write, I love you inside them. Now close the card and open it again. Surprise! A beautiful card for Mom.
Yay!